Hello and welcome. It's Gilly here. I'm in Queensland, Australia, coming to you with a pour on a large canvas. It's a 60 by 80 canvas, and this is I don't like to say it's a commission because I hate doing commissions because if they're not right. But I've been asked to do one of the summer garden type, wanted a summery type of upright and uplifting pour, so I'm really happy about that somebody wants something bright and uplifting. We all need that. I intend trying these different combs out in it. I bought a 3-pack of combs, and I thought this might be a perfect time on this bigger canvas to have a go at different comb techniques. Even going to try and do like a swirl, a loop-de-loop in it, but I'm going to do the whole canvas summer vibe. So I'm going to start off with this very pale peppermint green. So it was basically just white, and I added just a touch of green to it, just a touch to send it this lovely peppermint green. So I'm going to just go over it with my sponge brush, the whole canvas and the edges, and then I will zoom this forward to cut out the boring bits. Rightio, let's give this a go. I've got really nice bright and vibrant colours, so that's what we're going with. And I think I'm going to just pour kind of a wiggles bit. So that's a cool red, or is that cardamom red, I think. Now I'm going to go a nice bright orange. This has got a fair bit of yellow in it. It always makes the orange really vibrant if you add a fair bit of yellow into it. So just a little tricky poos there. Now for the purple. So I've tried to keep these paints on the thicker side, just so they hold the shape more, even for the combing effect. And always if you're doing any, I just find that holds the shape better. Even when I do Dutch pours now, I try to, or chaos blows, keep my paint thicker. Doesn't seem to have the opportunity to muddy up so much. Rightio, I'm going for this beautiful teal, not teal, it's called Viridian green in here. So I just hope these colours do not make mud. Remember, I'm going for a summertime vibe, so you're probably thinking, oh my goodness, she's gone crazy. Now I'm thinking, I'm going to put some white in. Do I actually comb the effect before I do the bottom? That's what I'm thinking I should do. And then create my summertime vibe after I've done the garden effect. I think I might do that. Might just tilt this paint slightly so it lets it run upwards a little bit. Just take it nice and slow. Back the other way. Just tilt it. The composition will be long ways, like the summer garden at the bottom, and the comb effect will hopefully end up the top. Just going to make sure my corners are coated nicely with a bit of colour. The sides, not too much worried if they're not. Rightio. So let's give this comby effect a go. Might try the large. Maybe that might not give me, maybe I'll try this large one. Should I or shouldn't I? Let's start out, because I've got to drag a lot of the paint, so. Good. Losing my shape. Wow. Kind of lost a bit there, but I will figure that out. Let's give this next size one a go. That didn't, see, it doesn't drag the paint. This one, the wider gaps don't allow for it to really drag much paint, so you definitely, the closer together is kind of works much better. Let's give this a go again. It's colourful. Don't really want to go too much, do I? Going a bit jaggedy there. The colours are lovely. Now I'm going to give this a bit of a blow to burst some air bubbles. Kind of thought it would look really effective on a bigger canvas. Don't know what I've got going on there. Maybe I need my smaller one in there. Let's try this. This is a cake decorating tool. Just needed to break that up a bit, but I think I'm gonna do a blowing out of it now. Let's see how we go with this. Wow. I am, maybe I could remove that bit because I don't like it. So maybe I can try to remove that chunky bit there. Or maybe I've really stuffed this up now trying to do this. I can wipe it with a cloth, I guess. Not good. Let's see if I absolutely. Actually doing the shape with the sponge brush. No, it looks so bad. Just do a circle in there. I guess that don't look so bad. Oh, I think I stuffed that up, didn't I? Wowzers, trousers. Just have a look if I've got maybe my actual catalyst wedge, maybe. No, I kind of a bit disappointed with that, but if I mess with that anymore, it's just going to get muddier. I really would put now my balloon work in it on the bottom and maybe add a little bit of butterfly type effect. But that is so lovely, the blowout. I think so. I'm going to turn it around so you will see it the way I intend it to be hung, is that way. So it's got that gorgeous wedgie effect, or the comb effect, and even the blowout's quite nice. So I'm going to just give this a few, turn it around, give it a few more minutes, and I'm going to have a think about it, whether I put some balloon kisses in that blowout area. But that's looking pretty good, the blowout area, and it's not gone muddy or anything, so I'm going to have a little think about that. What would you guys do with that? You can't see so much of it there, but anyway, I'll bring you down. Okay, I'm going to move it to my way. I haven't finished with it yet. I've decided I've got to push on. I'll move it down this way. I thought about trying to do those bubble effects on it, that I use the cup to do like a bubble effect. When it's actually dry, you can perfect the bubble a little bit more. So what I'm just trying to do is, while it's wet now, use these cups for my rim of my bubble. So all I'm going to do is push them into the paint and twist them a little bit, come out, and then use that paint. I'm going to use one where I don't like it. There. Just clean it up. So when it's dry, I can work on the bubble a bit, like doing some shadowing. So I'm going to again use it. I'm not gonna, the colours come out quite nice. So just a little idea. I've done this many times before, but I thought it might create a nice effect in this particular, because this is a big canvas, so I get to play a bit more. That one never came out so well, did it? Because there mustn't have been enough colour on my cup. So try again. Ooh, that one's nice. Go back in where I got that paint from and try and go over that one again. Ew. So this is like a really easy way to create bubbles if you're not artistic and you can't feel that you can do them kind of freehand or okay, I think that's enough of the bigger ones. I'm going to just use a smaller cup rim to do the next one. You can use all manner of things as you know, that you can dip in and do smaller bubble. Could go even smaller with a smaller object. What can I suppose this one might do. Just the rim of my little medicine jar. It's even smaller. Let's try this one. That's okay too. There you go. So that'll be fun when it's dry to actually see if I can create some shading to make it actually look like bubbles. But that looks fine. It's always something new to try, always. Put a little bubble in there. I think that's good. Do you guys think? Probably think no. Okay, I'm getting bubblicious now. Right, I might just try in my very colourful area. You could very well leave it like that. It actually looks fine, but I'm going to try in my colourful area, giving it a really good firm balloon kiss. Look at that, wow. Maybe I can put a little bit of one up there, rolling off. Wow, those are super colourful. Always colourful paintings are uplifting to me. Wow. Wow. Let's put one in there, hey? Kind of, yeah, they look butterflies and fireflies. These actually look like leaves, escaped leaves floating around. I think that's as many as I need at the top. I'll just continue. I'll try and push in where my bubble is. Might go over those again with the rim on the inside on these ones. Remember, you do not have to balloon kiss, but when somebody's buying a painting from me, they kind of, well, they do say they're buying it for my balloon kisses. They love the balloon kisses, so hence why I do so many balloon kisses. I can go in with a smaller balloon. I think that's just beautiful. And I'm going to obviously let that dry, and I'm going to work on my bubbles effect. But so I'll bring you in when I've worked on my bubble effect a bit more. I mean, you could very well leave them exactly like that. Just do, you know, a little bit of work on the bubble, reflection. But I mean, you needn't do it because they actually look perfectly fine like that. So I will be back with more. I decided to leave it. I liked the circles on it. I just added a little bit of kind of lines to the circles, but I thought it's fun and playful, and I really liked it how it is. So I didn't want to actually push on and wreck it, which I can sometimes do because I go a little bit far. So hoping that you really like it as it is. Remember, this, what you're seeing, is a wall app called picture wall app or wall picture app. I can't remember now. Oh, I'm going crazy. But until next time, my lovelies, this was a nice, big, fun and playful one. Hope you enjoyed.
We can do what we want to. Just give a little bit of your heart.